Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about a makeup starter kit. I have put together a few essentials for those of you who are maybe stuck in a rut with your makeup routine, or perhaps those of you who aren't very confident in applying makeup, or even for those of you who are just over the whole makeup thing and just avoid it altogether and like to go barefaced most of the time. I know that I go through periods where I am just sick of makeup, the whole deal, applying it, buying it, trying it, wearing it, and I like to go barefaced. But that doesn't last very long, and once I do start wearing it again, I realize why I love makeup so much, because it completely gives your face definition. We don't want to cover up our face, we just want to define our features. So let me show you the products I've chosen for my makeup starter kit. Okay, so on a daily basis, I don't like to wear foundation. I find it too heavy. I don't really want full coverage every day. I just want something that is going to even out and correct my skin tone. My favorite is my Maybelline BB Fresh BB Cream. I think this is just a wonderful BB cream. I absolutely love how it feels on my skin. It's just enough coverage without making me look too full on. It doesn't show any texture on my skin. It's so glowy and moisturizing. It's just a really beautiful, affordable BB cream. I have the shade Medium Deep. I really love BB cream. I really do. I would choose this over foundation anytime. I only use foundations on occasions where I really want to look polished and pulled together and have that flawless skin. Other than that, I'm always wearing this BB cream. It's amazing. So I've applied my BB cream. Now the next thing I want to do is eradicate any dark circles under my eyes and cover any imperfections that the BB cream didn't hide. What I like to use for concealer is Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I have two shades. I use 20 and 25. 20 is more for brightening, so just really brightening that under eye and bringing more light to your eyes. And 25 is to cover those spots. This concealer, again, is so affordable. I've been using it for years, and it is just beautiful and creamy. It's not patchy. It applies like a dream. It's pretty full coverage without being too cakey or drying. It looks great even without a setting powder. It is just a gorgeous concealer. So the next thing I do after applying my concealer is to set my makeup with setting powder. I also use the Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. I have two shades, shades 20 and 25. I use 20 in the cooler months when I'm not tan, and 25 in the warmer months when I have a tan going on. These pressed powders not only complement the concealer so beautifully, they just are so finely milled for a drugstore pressed powder. They just don't show up in your crease. You only need very, very little, and they just set your makeup so well that it's not sliding all over your face, and it just sets it in place for the whole day. They really are a beautiful pressed powder. Okay, now for eyeshadow. My favorite look for eyeshadow is just a one color, simple, shimmery lid. I just love a cream formula, and I've spoken before on my channel about how much I love the Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow pots. Well, I have discovered a new product, and it's by Rimmel. They're called the Magnifies Ombro Duos, and they are amazing. You get an eyeliner on one end, and then on the other end you get the eyeshadow stick. This formula is amazing. They glide on like a dream. They stay put all day. The colors are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. I have them on my lids at the moment. There are two ways I like to apply this product, or even the Maybelline eyeshadow pots. I will either just go along my lash line in just not a thin line, but not a thick line either, just along my lash line. It really gives a subtle difference, a really pretty look. Or I like to just blend it in all over my lid. You know, both ways they look beautiful. they really do transform your eyes. So those are my picks, either the Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow pots or the Magnifies Rimmel Ombre Duos. Now for mascara. Now I have to say mascara is the one makeup product I can't live without. Even when I go through those times where I just don't want to be bothered with makeup, I will always wear mascara. It just makes you look awake. Full stop. You just put mascara on and you instantly look more polished, more feminine, and just more alive. Now I love Lancome mascaras. I always have. I think no matter which one you buy from their range, they're all amazing. They're just beautiful mascaras. But at the moment I am using an Estee Lauder one. It's called the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. It is lovely. I am using it, but in no way does it compare to my Lancome ones. Mascara is just, it defines, it lengthens and gives your lashes volume. When you put mascara on, instantly there's a change to your whole face. It's just the one product that if you're not going to wear any makeup at all, wear mascara, it'll make a huge difference. Now bronzer is another product that I absolutely love. I think it just gives you a sun-kissed definition. It warms up the skin, it makes you look alive, it gives you a beautiful healthy glow. And I've spoken before on my channel about how much I love the NARS Laguna bronzer. It's my favorite all-time bronzer. Nothing compares to that. Full stop. But if you are looking for a dupe, this e.l.f. St. Lucia bronzer, it comes in this duo with this blush here. I don't use the blush at all, but this bronzer is the closest thing I've used that resembles Laguna. It is so easy to apply. It blends like a dream. It has no orange tint. It's got a beautiful glow. It's just a gorgeous buildable shade. Seriously guys, I really suggest you go out and get this bronzer. It is amazing. For $8, I think it's probably the best drugstore bronzer on the market. And finally, lipstick. All you need is a pop of color on your lips that's easy to apply and comfortable to wear. My choice is these Revlon Color Burst Lacquer Balms. They're so beautiful. I have two shades, 145 and 105. A nude shade and a pinky shade. These are a dream to apply. They glide on, they're very moisturizing. You can't stuff up with them. Even if you go outside the line, you just wipe it away with your finger. It doesn't leave a stain on your lips. It's just, there's no effort involved. When they do start to wear off, they wear off so beautifully. They just leave just a simple sheen to your lips. They're just another great product from the drugstore, and I'm definitely going to pick up more of these shades. They do mattes as well, and the matte that I like is called Enchanted, a beautiful nude matte. Just a gorgeous product. They just screw out and you get so much product. They last you so long and I just love them. So those are all the products that I've chosen for this makeup starter kit. I don't think anything else is really necessary. These are wonderful products. They will serve you well. I think this makeup starter kit will just give definition to your face, and I think that is what makeup is supposed to do. Not cover your face, but just give it definition. So that's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one.